Welcome back to Beautyistic, where today we're talking about a lip collection that promises to deliver long-lasting color without the heavy feeling. Because let's face it, nobody wants to worry about their lips fading midday. Let's dive into the theBalm Meet Matte Hughes set of 6 mini liquid lipsticks and see if these bite-sized beauties live up to the hype. This set is all about offering a variety of flattering nude shades, perfect for all skin types, and designed with a matte finish that isn't too drying. Each mini lipstick comes in a 0.04 ounce tube, and the pack includes 6 different shades that range from subtle neutrals to slightly deeper tones. Whether you want something neutral for your everyday look or a little extra drama, this set has it all. When it comes to formulation, the theBalm Meet Matte Hughes lipsticks deliver on the promise of a creamy texture that glides on easily. The formula is lightweight, and while it claims to be long-lasting, we'll see how it holds up in real-world conditions. Because, let's be honest, nobody wants to reapply their lipstick 5 times a day. As for the finish, the matte effect is beautifully velvety without being too harsh or drying, which is a huge plus, especially for those with drier lips. Now, let's talk real-world testing. These lipsticks are incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine. They apply smoothly, and you get that perfect matte look without feeling like your lips are parched. I wore the shades for a full workday, and while I did have to touch up after meals, I found the wear to be pretty solid. The formula didn't bleed or feather, which is often an issue with matte finishes. As for the application, the doe-foot applicator makes precision a breeze, so you can get that crisp, defined line with minimal effort. However, the texture can be a little thick for my preference, and I noticed it felt slightly tacky during the first few minutes after application. Once it's set though, it was comfortable and lasted through drinks without major issues. On the plus side, these lipsticks are lightweight and give your lips a full, matte finish without feeling heavy or sticky once they dry down. The shades themselves are flattering for a wide range of skin tones, and they truly feel like a staple in any collection, whether you're all about understated nudes or want to add a little flair with some color. However, as with all matte formulas, the consistency can be slightly drying if worn for long periods. If you have chapped lips, it's best to prep with a balm beforehand. Additionally, because these are minis, it's a smaller amount of product, which can feel like a downside if you're used to full-size lipsticks. But they're a great option if you're looking for variety in a compact form. Looking at the price, the value of the theBalm Meet Matte Hughes set is quite solid for a high-quality, long-lasting liquid lipstick set. It's perfect for anyone who loves switching up their lip color while still getting a matte finish that doesn't compromise comfort. Each shade delivers on pigment and wearability. And even though these are mini sizes, they're ideal for trying out new shades or for travel. For those of you wondering if there's anything similar out there, there are definitely options in the same price range, but these lipsticks stand out for their comfortable matte finish and the range of shades included. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might consider brands like ColourPop or Maybelline, which offer similar matte liquid lipsticks at a lower price point. However, the theBalm brand tends to have slightly more luxurious packaging and a smoother formula. In terms of longevity, these lipsticks hold up relatively well. They don't claim to be all-day wear, but if you're someone who needs a reliable lipstick that you can wear throughout your day with minimal touch-ups, these are great. Just make sure to avoid oily foods as they tend to break down matte formulas. In conclusion, the theBalm Meet Matte Hughes set of 6 mini liquid lipsticks is a fantastic option for anyone looking for variety in their lipstick collection without sacrificing quality. If you're into matte finishes that are comfortable and long-wearing, this set is definitely worth checking out. The price is reasonable for the quality, and the range of shades makes it a versatile addition to your makeup bag. I'd recommend it, especially for those who love a good matte lip, but don't want to deal with the dryness that often accompanies it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, Drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.